stuff. And we're gonna zip on back down to Maple Creek, where we're just gonna have a cookout, basically. Truckside cookout. And we'll unload in the morning. I got me a new grill last night. Brand new in box, $75. Unfortunately, I had to drive out to Sylvan to get it. That sucked, but we got some extra goodies. Gonna have burgers tonight. Looking forward to it. Since it's very COVID-stricken. Not that I even really love going into restaurants anyways. I would much rather cook my own food at any given time, but usually I just didn't have the option because it was always like, if you go to sleep now, you'll get 3.5 hours. But those days are over so far. So we'll do some cooking. Ooh, I forgot a wire brush. Oh well. Sure, someone will have them for doing their boomers. We're all loaded up, just enough chains and boomers. Couldn't tell you. Spiker of some sort. All in good condition. Good, 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 good. I gotta retorque all my tires now. Trailer just had a C-Vip. Oh, mud puddle. Good to rip. Now we'll zip on down to Maple Creek, have a barbecue, and unload in the morning. pouring. Just a small reminder that how much I hate Highway 36. At least there's some blue sky. Clouds aren't that cool yet today. That's usually good for some time-lapse footage, just some good puffy clouds on a blue backdrop. We're about 60K out of Brooks. Probably be touching down the same time again. Probably 7:30. Probably be at Maple Creek, so that'll be good.
Do here is go back.
I don't know. I didn't do it.
But you have to tell her to fucking look that you've done.
I assumed if we didn't do it, we got rode up. So after
Put your harness on this time and climb up with the tabs. Well, what's right going to do?
we're not,
I gotta calibrate my move in the
nearly
morning.
where
You
we
want to
were
go up and on the stick?
But yeah, I always put.
You gotta get somebody, send somebody up there. That would fucking probably be really good.
Lad would pay you $100 grand for that video. Yeah. Yeah, you'll get paid Monopoly money.
It's better than nothing. why it's like 7:30 in the morning. We're at Maple Creek. It's time to test out the new stove and make some coffee. Savage style. Maybe we can start a cooking channel for truckers. Roughing it. I'm sure you guys already got 3 million ideas more than I am. I'm just starting out here. I've never been away from home. But that's, she's all done. We're also having a spa. Hi, Tyler. What's going on?
Bought coffee. Oh, you're doing it old school.
I know, I did this last time. Shane's like, "There's coffee right there."
Yes.
I'm like, "No, this is better coffee." Probably is. We got trailers decked. Trailer decked. Time to rip on home. Stop and get some fuel. No point in really not gonna video the drive home because this is already gonna be too long as it is. So we'll see you on the next one.
Let me ask you a question, Ted. Do you see anything wrong here?
We got no windows, do we? No, do we? No, do we? No, it's not.
Brunch time.